happy homeowners. So we're pulling up the carpet in this 1945 house. One of the back bedrooms still had carpet, but a lot of people ask, what's the wood look like underneath the carpet? So let's take a look. So all of these homes, especially here in California, anything built in the 60s and earlier, have the original hardwood floor. And there it is. So it doesn't, so to the naked eye, it looks kind of gross, but this is actually in very good shape. Doesn't seem to be any pet stains or termite damage. We'll pull up these tack strips. These boards here are actually very nice. The quarter sawn, nice flakes. But watch the next video when this is sanded and how beautiful it's going to turn out.